A vacuum cleaner.
Huh?
We have to leave this all sparkling clean.
What? I can't hear you!
I said we have to leave this all sparkling clean. It's important to keep a clean house.
That vacuum cleaner sure makes a lot of noise.
Yeah, this vacuum cleaner is as old as the hills. Ow, ow, ow.
Huh?
Ouch, ouch, oh.
What happened?
My back. I pulled a muscle.
Yikes. Whatever you do, just don't move. The doctor said you have to rest.
But, what about the cleaning?
Don't worry. I'll take care of that.
Thank you, Misha. I know I can count on you.
That's good. Okay. Only half the living room is left to clean. That won't be so hard. I'm not surprised Dad is in bed. This vacuum cleaner weighs a ton. Only one person can fix this. So it moves around the house all on its own?
Yeah, and besides the wheels, I put a chip into it so it will be a smart vacuum cleaner.
Hello, Misha. I'm Vic Vac. What do you want me to clean?
Wow! It even talks.
What order do you want me to give it?
Well, to clean all the floors.
Done.
My mission is to vacuum up everything I find on the ground.
Fantastic! Thanks, Howie. You've saved me a lot of work.
No problem. I'll take off now, and you'll let me know how it goes. Thanks for the cookies.
Job done.
Terrific! There's no dust left.
But there are still a lot of things on the ground.
Wait! Where are you going?
Wow, we have a smart vacuum cleaner. How great! No, not my slippers, no!
They were on the ground. I follow orders.
Toys!
They were on the ground. I follow orders.
And the toys, too? We have a problem here. Howie, Vic Vac is out of control. It's sucking up everything on the ground, even the toys.
Oh. We told it to vacuum up everything on the ground.
But we didn't explain the difference between trash and other things.
So now what do I do?
I'll be right there.
Try to make sure it doesn't leave the house.
Where is it? Oh, no!
They were on the ground. I follow orders.
Heavens! I could swear I just planted some flowers. But how could this be? This garden is haunted.
They were on the ground. I follow orders. Oh, look at all of that stuff.
Have you seen a vacuum cleaner running around here?
That horrible machine is yours?
It's a nightmare. But you have to admit, the neighborhood is looking better. It's cleaner than ever.
Howie, we have to do something.
I can change its chip. The problem is how to trap it.
I know. What does Vic Vac always go after?
Trash.
So we have to give it what it wants. Trash.
Oh. Great! How funny. It's like feeding the pigeons.
Trapped. Trapped.
No! Enough cleaning. There's no problem with living with a little dirt and disorder, Vic Vac. There are more important things than cleaning. A vacuum cleaner can search for a different shine in life.
Well said.
But I only know how to clean.
You can learn to do other things. We'll show you.
Really?
Now, Howie!
I'm getting dizzy.
Dad's slippers!
Whoa. We stopped Zigzag and it got back all the things. The garden is a mess.
No problem. I have something that can fix that, and it never fails. A broom! And now I think I know a new way to use Vic-Vac. Howie has changed Vic-Vac's chip. Now he doesn't inhale things. Instead, he's a fan.
Great. At least I'll be a little cooler.
And I also programmed it to chat. Zigzag, do you want to ask him something?
What is your favorite Super Chef adventure? The fleeing carrot or Help Me Spinach?
Well, I don't know what to tell you.
Oh, sorry. I think I have to give him some other things to talk about.
Finicky Charlie.
I'm hungry.
Oh, come on, Charlie. You haven't had a taste of this.
No. What's going on?
Charlie has turned into a fussy eater. He doesn't like anything.
And here I am cooking up all sorts of wonderful dishes. Lentil puree served with a colorful straw.
Yuck. Huh?
Broccoli with melted cheese. Delicious.
No.
And what about a shrimp and mushroom omelet?
No.
And the unbeatable breaded fish with roasted corn. Oh, there's no way.
Wait just a minute. Ta-da! You know what Super Chef says? You have to eat a little of everything. Super Chef.
I think the only way we'll get Charlie to eat is for Super Chef to come here in person.
Super Chef.
No, Charlie. Super Chef is very busy, and I don't think he can come here right now.
You're right. But I think there's a way to get him to stop by.
You want me to dress up as Super Chef?
It's the only way we'll get Charlie to eat.
But there's only one Super Chef, and I can't pretend I'm him.
Sure you can. You know as much as he does.
Okay, but I'll only do it once.
Hooray! This plan will work. You'll see.
Do you really think he's gonna believe this?
For sure. Plus, you do a really good imitation of his voice.
Hey, hello, Charlie.
Oh, look who's here. Super Chef. Wow. Super Chef in person, how amazing. He's come to see if you're eating your lunch, right?
Exactly. These are really good lentils, aren't they?
Yum, yum.
Very good, Charlie. I'm really proud of you. From now on, you have to eat everything that your sister and your parents give you. You promise me?
Yeah. Yum, yum. That's done. Problem solved.
How great!
What a relief.
Super Chef.
That's great.
Okay, you finished everything on your plate. Now Super Chef has to leave. Super Chef!
It's working, right? Now he's eating everything.
Yeah, maybe you don't need to come back tomorrow, Howie. I mean, Super Chef. Come on, Charlie. You have to eat. We can't do this every day. Super Chef. He's come every day this week. He must have other things to do. Okay, so this is the last time.
I knew this would end up this way.
I'm sorry, Howie.
Your chocolate ice cream with pistachios and 30 other things.
That ice cream is just what I needed this heat. Oh, no!
What's that balloon? Isn't that the Super Chef sign?
It's Misha. Charlie isn't eating and she's asking for help.
Asking who? You or Super Chef?
Super Chef. Well, me. Well, it's hard to explain.
I see that. So, what are you gonna do? Do you still want the ice cream?
I won't be able to finish it. I have to do my job as Super Chef. Super Chef to the rescue! Whoa, I'm dizzy. Charlie, here I go. Very good, Charlie. Now, this is the last time I'm coming to do this. So promise me that from now on, you'll eat your food all by yourself, okay?
Yum, yum, yum.
Can we talk for a minute, Misha? Misha, I'm really getting tired of this. You told me it would just be once. I've spent days playing Super Chef.
I know, but it's just that Charlie is really stubborn.
I'm sorry for Charlie. I want him to eat everything, but I can't keep being Super Chef.
Super Chef?
Oh, Super Chef left.
Not true.
Oh no! Charlie, wait! Charlie, don't be mad. Since you weren't eating, I asked Howie to be Super Chef.
Oh, we're not going to fix this one. And today I dared to make grilled sardines.
Oh no. Now what do we do?
Let me talk to Charlie.
Super Chef! Why didn't you come until now? When a kid is hungry, Super Chef always comes to the rescue, right?
I did come sooner because Howie was doing such a good job. But Charlie needs a little push, huh? Charlie, if you want to be strong like me, you have to eat every day.
Yes, Charlie strong.
Promise me that you will eat all by yourself with this fork spoon.
Fork spoon.
Goodbye, and enjoy your meals.
Super Chef.
Wow, he's the best.
Very good! You finished that all by yourself. All thanks to Super Chef and the
Fork spoon.
A balloon into outer space.
Hi, Howie.
I just made an incredible discovery. Exploration balloons. They can measure the weather conditions and can even reach outer space. And they're easy to make. Shall we build one?
That would be a great way to contact space aliens.
Do you think they really exist?
I don't know, but we'll soon find out.
An exploration balloon? Yeah, and Misha had a great idea.
We tie a box of things to the balloon to describe who we are to the aliens.
Aliens? You kids want to make an exploration balloon? When is it launching? I don't want to miss it.
Tomorrow morning at the beach.
But first, we have to figure out what we're going to put in the box.
You're right. Everyone bring one thing. We'll meet up at Howie's house.
This metal tin is perfect for holding special things to send out to space.
Let's see. What have you brought? A bonsai.
A telescope.
A basketball.
A skateboard.
All of my drawings. But all of it isn't going to fit, don't you see? We have to put smaller things in. Everyone go look for something and we'll meet up at my house at 5.
Okay.
What about you, Misha? Well, I haven't decided yet. I like so many things.
Don't worry. You can think about it while we set up the balloon. We have everything we need. The tin box, a strong cord, and most important of all, the balloon.
How are we going to inflate it?
Oh, right. We need some helium.
Helium? What's that?
It's a very light gas that lifts balloons into the air. But I don't know where we're going to find that.
I have an idea.
Hello?
Hi, this is Misha. Would you happen to have helium for balloons? We need it for an exploration balloon so we can send things of ours to aliens in outer space.
Well, yes, I do have some.
Great! Could you deliver it?
Of course, this minute. I'll be right there. I love space aliens.
Great! Thanks a lot. How long will it take?
Here I am.
Wow, that was quick. How did you do that?
I told you I'd be here in a minute.
Thanks a million.
No, thank you all. I'm not gonna miss that launch.
Well, it will be tomorrow morning at the beach.
Perfect. See you tomorrow.
Hey, listen. What if we attach a video to the balloon? That way we can watch it going into space.
What a great idea! But where are we going to get one? None of us has a camera, right?
I think we know just the right person for that.
Hi, Misha. I'm just taking some really great selfies. What's up? Huh? Yeah, okay. I love space aliens. I'll be right there.
Rachel's gonna lend us her cell phone.
Here you go. It's like the latest model with a high-resolution camera. I've always been a big science fan, you know.
Wow, you got here quickly, too.
Of course.
Okay, then. We'll see each other tomorrow for the launching. Don't forget to bring your special object, Misha.
Hey, don't you guys want to do some super cool selfies?
Not right now. Thanks, Rachel.
Latest update. A sound balloon is about to be launched to explore extraterrestrial beings, and you'll be able to see that live, right here.
Okay, guys. It's time to close the box. Hurry, Misha. We still need your object. I don't know what I want to share with the space aliens. I still don't know what to put in there. Forget it. Just launch it without me.
No way! This wouldn't have even been possible without you. We'll help you, Misha.
Let's see. What object makes you think of Misha?
A magnifying glass.
A magnifying glass?
Sure. That's the object that represents you perfectly.
You're curious by nature.
And whenever there's a problem,
You investigate and work it out.
That's true. Thanks a lot.
goodbye, balloon. And when do I get my cell phone back?
It's a one-way trip, Rachel. The aliens will keep the balloon.
What? You didn't tell me that part.
All for the good of science, Rachel. Come here, guys. This computer is connected to the cell phone. We can see how it reaches outer space.
Wow.
How amazing, right?
Oh, no! It's falling really fast.
Huh. At least I'll get my cell phone back.
I don't get it. Why did the balloon explode?
It was supposed to go to reach the space aliens.
Don't you know that exploration balloons always explode and fall? It said so clearly in that book you showed me.
Oh, I was so excited that I didn't finish reading it. According to my calculations, it should land in less than a minute.
Look, here it comes.
My cell phone!
Do you think that...
Aww. The space aliens didn't get to see everything that was in the box.
Wait a second. The cookies aren't here.
Does that mean...
Oh.
Operation Good Morning, dear teacher.
I have to tell you a story. Every morning when I'm on my way to school, I look out the bus window and see a lot of things. I see the cartoonist who is always so scatterbrained.
Good morning. I'm here to return these books.
This is an ice cream stand. The library is over there.
Oh, you're right. How silly of me.
The thin man drowning his plants in the garden.
So where are you going for your holidays? To the beach or the mountains?
I see Mr. Bear trying to deliver the newspapers. And I see Mrs. Poodle trying to decide whether to go to the hairdresser.
Oh, I don't know. Will it rain or not? It's sunny out now, but there's a little cloud up there in the sky, and that could turn into a hurricane.
I see all of that every day. But today, I saw something I'd never seen before. Mrs. Hen asleep at the bus stop. Mrs. Hen! Mrs. Hen! So that's why she's late today. Because she fell asleep at the bus stop.
Oh, poor thing.
I'm sorry, kids. I don't know why, but whenever I'm waiting for the bus, I get sleepy. I hope I won't fall asleep again tomorrow. Okay, let's get started.
She won't fall asleep again tomorrow, and you know why? Because tomorrow we're going to do Operation Good Morning, Dear Teacher.
Yes!
Wow, you're leaving early today, aren't you?
I'm not taking the bus today. I'm going to walk to school. Okay, everyone. Roger, Mrs. Hen is on her way to the bus stop. Operation Good Morning, Dear Teacher begins.
Roger, point 2 checking in. All normal here. How are things at point 3?
Roger, point 3 here, following the cartoonist, as scatterbrained as usual.
Okay, Roger. 10-4 rubber ducky. Then we go to phase 1.
We're going to the mountains. They say it's full of mosquitoes, but I'm not afraid of mosquitoes or any other flying creatures. Help! I'm being attacked! I'm being attacked!
Wow, it's raining. I'd better go get my umbrella.
Done. Phase 2 begins.
Everything's fine over here. Over. Oh, you're carrying a big load there. Can I help you?
If you could deliver this newspaper to Mrs. Poodle, I'd really appreciate that.
Oh, no problem. Roger, phase 2 is finished. Phase 3 begins.
Roger, 10-4. Already here. He's arriving now.
Mr. Bear gave me this for you.
Thank you. Let's see what the weather will be today. No rain? Perfect. I'll go to the hairdresser.
What do you mean it's not going to rain? I got wet and was heading home to get my umbrella.
You are so scatterbrained. Go on your way. The library's over there.
Phase 3 finished.
Great. All that's left is phase 4.
We'll meet up at the bus stop, over and out. Now she'll probably start falling asleep.
I don't want to fall asleep. I don't want to fall asleep.
Mrs. Hen is now asleep. But what about Mrs. Poodle?
We have a problem here. Mrs. Poodle has stopped.
Granddad!
Mrs. Poodle, if you have a long walk ahead, I could drive you to where you're going.
Perfect. I'm going to the hairdresser. I want a very elegant hairdo today.
Oh no, we'll have to keep her from driving off in the car. Howie, give me your snack.
But if I give it to you, I won't have my snack.
I don't want the apple. I want the bag.
What happened?
A tire must have blown out. How could that be? They're brand new.
I see this is going to take a while. Thank you for offering the ride, but I'm going to catch the bus. I don't want to have to wait in line at the hairdresser's.
Roger, phase 4 finished. Mrs. Poodle is on her way. Hurry! Hurry!
Good morning, Mrs. Hen. What are you doing asleep here? You'll miss the bus.
Oh, yes, the bus.
Yes.
I thought it was odd that the cartoonist boy delivered my paper today. He is so scatterbrained, and he said it was raining out. What planet does he live on? It's easy to know if it's raining. You just have to check the newspaper, and then the car tire blew out, and would you believe...
Hooray!
Great! Our teacher won't be late today.
No, but we will. We should have caught the bus.
Wait!
You're late today, boys and girls. What happened?
It's a long story, Mrs. Hen.
But either you were gonna be late, or we were gonna be late. We couldn't all get here on time.
A lucky day.
Whee! Mom, I'll eat the apple on my way.
Have you tidied up your room?
I don't want to be late for the championship. I'll see you at the park.
Well, I see I'll end up doing that as usual.
Huh?
Good morning.
Good morning. Are you nervous?
Nah. The apple is delicious. It's a bright, sunny day. And look, I'm wearing red socks. My favorite color. Today's my lucky day, and I'm gonna win the skateboarding championship.
I'm sure you'll win. But that's because you practiced a lot, not because you're wearing red socks.
What do you mean? These socks have always brought me luck. See? Everything works out for me, thanks to the socks.
Look who's here. It's Larry. Maybe he thinks he can win the championship.
I'm not worried. Today is my lucky day.
And ours. We're wearing our lucky colored socks.
But they have lots of colors on them.
Yeah, if one color doesn't work, there's always another one.
How exciting! I wish him luck.
He doesn't need luck. He's practiced a lot. I'm sure he'll do great.
Ladies and gentlemen, the championship now begins.
Bravo! You did a great job.
I told you so. Today is my lucky day.
We now have two finalists, Gregory Gorilla
Yeah!
and Larry.
Hooray!
Hooray! This is a mess.
What?
Have you noticed what socks you're wearing?
The red ones. My lucky color.
You're wearing one of each color, Larry.
And what is gray? The color I hate most.
I realized that while I was tidying your room. Luckily, I brought you the matching sock.
The gray one. You know what? I'd rather just wear the red one than put on the two gray socks.
Larry, stop being silly about this. Put on the sock.
What rotten luck. I can't stand the color gray.
Ow! What's going on?
Attention, everyone. Due to technical difficulties, the contest has been put on hold until further notice. Thank you for your patience.
I don't think they'll take long to fix that.
Yeah.
I'm sure you'll feel differently after a double cheeseburger.
There are none left. Those two brothers bought all the ones I had.
Oh, you didn't get a hamburger. Too bad. We got there first. Just like we will on the skateboard track.
Ladies and gentlemen, the problem has been fixed. The final competition will begin in 10 minutes.
Oh, I'm so nervous.
Let us stones.
Wow, Charlie.
Larry? Larry! Has anyone seen Larry? I can't find him anywhere.
Larry's disappeared?
You take care of Charlie. I'll go look for him. Larry, I finally found you. Everyone is looking for you. The final is about to begin.
I'm not going. This gray sock has brought me bad luck. The technical problems, the hamburgers. See? Today's not my day. I'll lose for sure.
Well, if you're so sure about that, then I don't need to give you this.
Give me what?
The lucky stone. If you carry it in your pocket, it works like a lucky charm.
Do you really think it would work?
I don't know. But if you want to try it out, we better hurry.
Oh, my stomach. We ate too many hamburgers.
The final is about to begin. 3, 2, 1, and he's off. Incredible! Spectacular! A perfect performance. Now it is Gregory Gorilla's turn. 3, 2, 1, and he's off.
I can't. My stomach.
Oh, we have a winner. It is Larry.
That was fabulous.
You're a skateboard genius.
This will look wonderful on the mantelpiece.
Misha, I have to tell you something.
What's wrong?
Well, I lost your lucky stone. It must have fallen out of my pocket in one of my jumps. I'm sorry about that. I really am.
Oh, no problem. Charlie, can you give him another one? Charlie spends his day collecting little stones, and his pockets are always full of them.
So, what you gave me was also a little stone from the park?
Yes, Larry. You won because you're good at what you do. Stones and socks don't have anything to do with that.
Okay. You finally convinced me, Misha.
Well, now we have to celebrate.
Yeah, and I know how. With a yummy double cheeseburger.
Yippee!
Tina Turtle.
Good morning. I have great news for you today. We have a new student in class. Her name is Tina. You'll get to know her, and I'm sure that soon you'll all be friends with her. Is there an extra space at anyone's table?
Over here. Hi, I'm Misha. This is Carol and Howie.
Hi, Tina.
Oh. Tina's all alone. We could ask her if she wants to play with us.
I'll do that. Hi, Tina. Do you want to jump rope with us? Well, okay. By the way, do you like flowers? I really like them a lot. If you want after school, we can go to the park, and I'll show you where to find the prettiest flowers. And what about if I teach you a really fun song? Flowers are so great. Huh? She doesn't like jumping rope, and even worse, she doesn't even like flowers.
Let me try talking to her. Hi, Tina. You know what this is? Yeah, I know what you're thinking. How cool! It's a Super Chef album. That's right, and with all the trading cards. Which do you think is the best Super Chef adventure? Some say it's Super Chef and the Fleeing Carrot. Others like Help Me Spinach. What do you think? But do you know about the Super Chef adventures? Super Chef didn't work.
Okay, now I'll try. Hi, do you want to go to the park after school? I'm the skateboard king. Yeah! What do you think? Do you like skateboards? It didn't work.
Let's not give up. I'll give it a try. Do you want to play with looking at things through a microscope? Not even a marshmallow? Not even a fly wing? Or even one of Larry's bogies?
Negative.
She doesn't like anything we suggest.
Maybe she doesn't want to be our friend.
Get out of the way. We have a game to play.
I have an idea. Let's see if it works. Tina, we need your help. We're missing a player on our basketball team.
Come on, we need you.
You know that I'm not that great at basketball, but if you need another player, I'll join the team.
No, we're doing this so she joins in.
Oh, now I get it. Now that I think about it, it would be better for me not to play. The toenail on the little toe of my foot is really hurting me.
Come on, Tina. Join the team. It'll be fun. Run, Tina!
Tina, grab it! We have to make sure she's unguarded.
I'll do that. Tina, it's yours.
Tina? Tina, are you all right?
Yes. Oh, the notebook.
What happened?
The ball hit her in the face, but it was an accident. We just wanted her to play with us.
Nobody did anything wrong. You're each different and have different ways of doing things. You'll get to know what she's like.
But she doesn't like doing anything we suggest.
That could be. But the important thing is you've shown her that you want to be friends with her. I think she understands that now, so just go on playing.
Oh. Hi, Tina. What a lot of things on the first day of school, right? You'll see. It'll be easier tomorrow. By the way, I found your notebook on the ground. I saw what was in it, and it's fantastic. I think you should show that to people.
Thanks, Misha.
What's this?
They're pictures that Tina drew in her notebook.
Oh, this is great!
Oh, I look like the real super chef.
It's better than the poster. I'm gonna hang it in my room.
Hey, I know how to do other things besides fall off skateboards.
You see, Tina understood that you wanted to play with her, and she showed you that in her own way, by drawing.
And didn't you draw one of Misha?
Oh, I love it!
I like drawing. And drawing pictures of friends, too.
I'm scared of octopuses.
Misha, Charlie, I'm heading out in the car now. Do you want to come with me?
Yeah!
Octopus, no!
You kids are really nuts about those eyes.
They're lots of fun. And so where are we going?
Let's see if you can guess.
The amusement park? To the zoo?
Zoo!
To the car wash! Goody! We'll sing the octopus song.
Octopus?
You'll see, Charlie. It's lots of fun. Now let's play a guessing game. No two animals are the same. Pay attention to each one. This little game is gonna be fun. It has lots of sticky arms and so many other charms. Octopus, puss, puss, octopus, puss, puss, octopus, puss, puss, octopus, puss, puss. See, Charlie? It's like a giant octopus that looks like he's about to gobble up the car.
Octopus, no!
You don't like octopuses, Charlie? Misha, I don't think Charlie likes octopuses at all.
But they're harmless, Charlie. They're adorable.
Octopus! Octopus, no!
Don't worry, Charlie. It was just a bad dream.
Octopus!
Wow. You're more scared of the octopuses than I thought. But I have an idea. We're going to try something out tomorrow. Get comfortable, Charlie. I'm going to show you a documentary about octopuses, and you'll see how nice they are.
The octopus has the largest brain among the invertebrates, and
You see, the real octopuses don't live in a car wash. They live under the sea. Plus, they're really smart.
fish that are bigger than they are.
Octopus, no!
Wow, I sure didn't get that right, did I? I know what we can do. This will work for sure.
You think so?
Definitely. Just wait, Charlie. When you see Ollie Octopus face to face, you'll see that they're really nice.
Ollie Octopus! Ollie Octopus!
We have to look really hard to see him, Charlie. Octopuses like hiding among the rocks.
Ah! Octopus, no!
I don't know who's more frightened, Charlie or Ollie the octopus.
That didn't work either.
Jump! 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 Jump!
Hi, Misha. What's wrong?
I've got a problem, and I don't know how to fix it. Charlie is really afraid of octopuses. I've tried all sorts of things to help him get over that, but everything I do just makes it worse. And he gets even more scared of them.
Don't worry, Misha. Everyone is afraid of things when they're little. I was afraid of the dark. I was afraid of grasshoppers, and now I think they're lots of fun. They just jump all over the place.
What about you, Larry? What do you think?
I think that...
What's so funny?
Sorry, but I see you wearing those bouncy eyes, and it makes me laugh.
The same thing happens to Charlie when he sees these. He just bursts out laughing. Oh, right. I've got it. Thanks, Larry.
What did I do?
You gave me a great idea. By the way, I'll need some mud, a lot of eyes, and a little bit of help.
You got it!
Oh?
Here they come.
See? It's all muddy again.
Oh, you're right. What a nuisance.
Not at all. It's good news.
What do you mean? I don't know if it'll work, but we can give it a try.
You'll see, Charlie. We're going to a really fun place.
Zoo! Zoo!
No, but I think you're going to laugh a lot.
Octopus, no!
Charlie, it's not like before. Open your eyes and you'll have a surprise.
Now let's play a guessing game. No two animals are the same. Pay attention to each one. This little game is gonna be fun. It has lots of sticky arms and so many other charms. Octopus, octopus.
I knew this would work. It's impossible not to laugh with these bouncing eyes.
When he hides, he's the best. So much better than the rest. Octopus, octopus.
Are you still scared of the octopus, Charlie?
No!
Oh.
Can you believe it? Now it's raining. Tomorrow we're gonna have to take the car back to be washed.
Hooray!
The porcelain figure.
It's beautiful, isn't it? When I spotted it in the store window, it was love at first sight. Right then, I thought it would look wonderful in your living room.
Oh, in our living room?
Yes, I'm sure you can find a good place for it. I have to go now. I'll be back later and you can show me where you put it.
Oh.
I'm so happy you like it.
Oh, heavens. What do I do with this piece of junk?
Put it in a closet under lock and key so no one can see it.
You know what? I'm going to go pick up Misha at school. When we get back, maybe she can help me find a discreet spot for this. Oh, and when Dad gets back, he has to take this box to the recycling drop-off point. There are dead batteries, old shoes, the broken toaster, just stuff to throw away.
Okay. This Claudia Clue detective woman is really something.
Hi, I'm heading off now to take these things to the recycle drop-off point.
Okay, they're on the table.
Oh, I'm supposed to take everything?
That's what I was told.
How odd. I've never seen this thing. Plus, it's not broken. Well, in fact, it's pretty ugly. To the recycle drop-off you go, little shepherdess.
We're back, Granddad.
Well done, Claudia.
Let's see if we can find a spot for the figure that Mrs. Poodle gave me. Will you help me, girls? Oh, where is it? I left it right here. Do you know where the figure is?
I didn't touch it. Maybe Dad took it to the recycle drop-off point along with the rest of the stuff.
Oh, dear. Well, we'll have to get it back before Mrs. Poodle comes by.
We'll find it, Mom. Let's go, Tina.
This is all to recycle. We don't need it.
Thank you. Hold on. This figure.
Is pretty ugly, right?
Yeah, but I think I know just a person who could use it. I believe this would delight
Mrs. Poodle! For sure.
She's the only one who would buy something like this.
I'll give it to her. I'm sure she'll be thrilled.
Hello. Did Dad leave a porcelain figure here?
The little shepherdess. No. In the end, he decided to give it to Mrs. Poodle.
Oh, no! It's a gift she gave us. If he gives it back, she'll know we didn't like it and wanted to get rid of it.
Let's go, Misha. Maybe we'll get there in time.
At the beach, in the park, in the square, and riding on a bus. Everybody listening and shaking their heads with us. We went to drive-in movies, eating popcorn and knowing soon. And we moved our legs, and we loved to make each other
I'm coming! I'm coming! Mrs. Poodle, is Dad here?
No. By the way, what do you think of the little shepherdess I gave you? Beautiful, isn't it? In a little while, I'll go over to see how it looks in your living room. No need to thank me for it. It was nothing.
So where is your father?
I don't know, but at least the piece is still safe.
I wanted to give this to Mrs. Poodle. We don't really like it.
Well, we love it. Yeah, we'll know just what to do with it.
Well then, it's all yours. Goodbye.
Okay, let's go.
Dad, we've been looking for you. Where is the porcelain figure?
Oh, don't worry. I got rid of it. Wow, it is pretty ugly.
We've got to get it back. It was a present from Mrs. Poodle.
A present? Well, the Gorilla Brothers have it now. Over at the empty lot. They're in there.
Oh!
Oh, you've broken it.
Yeah, I'm the sharpest shooting cowboy in the Wild West.
That was a present from Mrs. Poodle.
Your dad told us you didn't want it.
Yes, but I didn't know it was a gift.
Neither did we.
Tina, what are you doing? Oh, that's That's really nice. You just gave me an idea. Dad, come and look at this.
Due to an unfortunate accident, the little shepherdess figure broke. It was a shame because we really liked it, right?
Yes.
But Tina had a great idea to make a picture out of the broken pieces of porcelain. I hope you don't mind.
Well, let me just say this. I love it! It is really unique. In fact, I plan to do the same. I have too many porcelain figures at home. I'm gonna get right to work. Did you see that? I'm the sharpest shooting cowgirl in the Wild, Wild, Wild West.
Granddad's whistles.
I finished. And for dessert, I want a peach.
Oh, well, this is the last one left. But here, you have it.
Maybe you two could share it.
Good idea. You have the fruit, and I'll have the stone.
But you can't eat the stone, Granddad.
You eat the peach, and you will see. Only grown-ups can do this trick, and to do it, you need a peach stone, a knife, and a little patience. There we go.
You made holes in it and emptied it out. What's so special about that?
Blow it.
Oh, it's a whistle.
Whistle. Charlie, whistle.
Oh, I'm afraid there are no more peaches.
Don't worry, I'll go buy another one. I'd like one peach, please.
These are really good ones.
Oh, really? Well, I'm mostly interested in the stone inside it.
That's cool.
That would be really handy when I referee basketball games. Or to use the shout-out code.
I heard the shout-out code. What's going on?
Oh, nothing. My grandfather made me a whistle.
Do you think he could make some for us?
For sure.
Try it. There we go. Now we have 2 whistles.
But we need 4 more. For my friends. Hi.
Well, I don't think we have any more peaches.
Don't worry, I'll go back to the store. 4 peaches, please.
I see you all like the stones.
So it seems.
Hooray!
Are they seeds?
Did you make these?
I want mine, Misha.
Me too.
Me. I want one. I want one.
Okay, I'll ask my grandfather if he can make some more.
I deserve a good rest now. Making whistles is a tiring job.
Granddad, I have to ask you for a favor.
Let me see if I can guess. I need to make another whistle for a friend.
Not one,
Oh!
a few.
Hi! Heavens!
Peaches, right?
How did you know?
Enjoy them. They're the last of the season.
I have peaches coming out of my ears.
Don't give up yet. There are still a few more left.
Don't worry, there are enough for everyone. Finally. Oh, you're left without a whistle? I've run out of whistles. Wait, here, you can have mine.
Thanks, Misha.
You gave away your whistle? Well, we've got a problem because I bought up all of the peaches. Would a cherry stone work?
I think I might know a place where we can find a peach. If I'm not mistaken, there used to be a peach tree in this garden.
Over there, and there's still a peach on it. But it's way high up. How are we going to reach it?
Climbing up there, obviously.
Be careful, Granddad.
I can't reach it. I'd have to crawl up that branch, but I weigh too much. Oh,
Here I come.
hooray! We have a peach.
And the problem. How do we get down?
Someone is gonna have to help us. Hello? Hello?
I have an idea. Are you carrying the knife?
Yeah.
So let's split the peach. The fruit for me and the stone for you.
Ah, I think I know where you're going with this. Here you go.
Huh? Shout out signal? What are you two doing up there?
We can't get down. Can you get someone to come rescue us?
Right away.
Shout out code?
Thanks a lot, kids. Without you, we could have ended up living in the tree just like the monkeys.
Thanks to you for making our whistles.
I'm gonna take a rest from making whistles now, but if you bring me some corks, I can make you some earplugs.
Blowing the whistle, moving your feet, swaying your hips. We'll dance the samba to Kathmandu. We'll dance the samba to Timbuktu. We'll dance the samba to Bezalel.
The library book.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Wow, a trunk.
What's inside it?
Old books. Granddad left them in here for anyone who wants one.
Oh, wow. Let's have a look. Look at this one. Yeah.
Wow, Misha, your grandfather has some amazing books.
I've never seen these before. The Cases of Detective Claudia Clue.
Voyage to the center of a noodle.
The Great Cataclysmic Catastrophe.
Huh, they all look alike to me.
Ooh, and what about this one? Invisible Spies. It's from the local library. And here it says it was due back 20 years ago?
No problem. We'll return it.
But what if they charge your grandfather a fine for returning it late?
Or even worse, what if they send him to prison?
Don't exaggerate. That won't happen. Maybe they'll just take away his library card for a few weeks.
Yeah, but your grandfather loves reading. He takes a book out of the library every week, and now he won't be able to.
You're right. The book is called Invisible Spies, right? I have an idea. Okay, friends. Operation Invisible Spies begins. The first stage of the plan is to have a good plan.
Are we going to dig a tunnel? Will we need to hack computers?
It's easier than that. We'll go into the library with the book hidden in a backpack. Gina and Howie will distract the librarian. Carol will act as a shield so we won't be spotted. And Larry and I will look for the right bookshelf.
That way we can put the book back in its place, and they won't take away your grandfather's library card.
That's easy as pie. I was expecting a little more adventure.
Well, I have a really important mission for you. Go get the book out of the trunk and put it in the backpack. Okay, the second stage of the plan is to carry it out.
What a big group. Do you need anything?
No, we've come to read.
That's fine, but I'll be closing in 15 minutes. Oh, and keep your voices down. This is a library.
We do need some help. We're looking for a book called Powerful Four Winds Inventions.
That doesn't sound familiar. Let me look it up.
Larry, what are you doing?
I'm looking for the book, but they all look the same to me.
We have to look for the S section. For spies.
I found an encyclopedia about little flowers. I just love it.
Perfect. Put yourself here, Carol. That way you'll block us.
Well, we don't have the book you're looking for. What are your friends up to?
Oh, nothing. And do you have the book A History of Basketball, Volume 6?
I'll check.
Here we are. S for spies. Larry, get the backpack. Larry, this isn't the book.
Huh?
This one is called Invincible Spices, not Invisible Spies.
Okay, so I got confused. I already told you. All books look the same to me.
Shh. The library's about to close. You have 6 minutes and 47 seconds to go to my house, get the book, and come back.
Done.
What book do we ask for now?
I don't know. I think she's beginning to get suspicious.
I don't have the book titled The Adventure of Living with 10,000 Fish. Are you sure you're not making up the names to all these books?
Come on, Larry.
Oh, here he comes.
No running. And start gathering up your things. We're about to close.
It's this one. Where should I put it?
Up on the highest shelf.
Impossible. We'll never get it up there.
Psst. Gina.
I agree with you. My favorite Super Chef book is also Help! Wilting Spinach.
We did it!
Watch out! What happened?
Would you mind telling me what's going on? And what's this book? I haven't seen it around here for years.
We just wanted to return the book, and we didn't want Granddad's library card to be taken away because he loves to come here to read.
Don't worry, Misha. It's all my fault. I forgot to return the book, and I'll take responsibility for that. From now on, I'll just play bowls instead. Here's my library card.
It's not a big deal. I even forgot that we had this book.
So that means...
Keep your card, because you're one of our most veteran library members. That mistake could happen to anyone.
Now that you mention it, I think I have a book that I haven't returned.
Me too.
Oh, you mean we're supposed to return books to the library? I thought we could just keep them at home.
What a crazy crowd. But thanks to all of you kids, we've retrieved enough missing books that we can now open up a new room in the library.
And I'm gonna read them all.
Well, I'm even thinking of writing one.
Oh, really? About what?
About some kids who return a book to the library. It might not sound like much, but it's an amazing adventure story.
Face painting.
Apache.
Now it's my turn. Hello, Mr. Charlie.
Misha, Charlie, it's snack time.
Snack!
Let's wash up and go down. Coming, Mom. That was fun, wasn't it? Oh, Charlie, you have to rub really hard.
Ow!
Oh, no. We really messed up. I painted your face with a marking pen.
Misha, Charlie, are you coming down?
What do we do now? Mom can't see you like this.
Your snack is on the table.
We'll be right there. This way they won't notice.
By the way, we're celebrating Grandma's birthday this evening.
Wow, I forgot about that.
And since we'll all be together here, we're going to take a family picture. I want you to be clean and looking your best. Charlie, what are you doing wearing Granddad's glasses?
He looks good, doesn't he?
Take those off. Granddad needs them.
Whoa! What's this table doing in the way? And why does everything look so foggy?
You see? Just a second. I'll be right there.
Come on, Charlie. Mom, we're going over to Larry's house. See? It doesn't go away. And today we're doing a family picture. He can't be in it with a painted face.
I think there's another way to...
Howie, now isn't the time to try out your inventions. We have to go for things that work. When my mother puts on her makeup, she uses these jars and creams to clean her face.
Charlie, you can't eat that.
First, we put on the cream. And then we take it off.
Huh? It doesn't work.
Larry, I can't find my creams. Do you know where they are? What are you all doing? Those creams are really good.
No, bad. Yuck.
Mission aborted. Retreat.
Goodbye.
I think I know what we have to do. Eat. Later, I think my paints can solve this.
I wanted to try something else, which
Howie,
is what...
this isn't the time for your inventions. Why don't you go get a snack for Charlie? He's really hungry.
Okay.
Here's my plan. If we can't erase the glasses, we have to paint over them to hide them. There we go.
Thanks, Carol. That's great. That solves it. You know what we have to do now, Charlie?
Eat.
You're right. First we'll find Howie, and then we'll go home.
Misha, Charlie, muffins.
Hooray!
Oh, no!
What bad luck.
Charlie, Misha, wait for me. I'll be right there.
Quick, eat him up!
What's Charlie doing with a mask on?
It's not Charlie. It's a monster.
Hungry.
And if you don't watch out, he'll eat you up.
What a strange game. Come on, let's go home now, because we have to take the family picture.
Howie, you're coming with us, right? That's a yes, right? Please.
Charlie, what a day you're having. First putting on the glasses, and now wearing papers on your eyes? So, Howie, do you want to be in the family picture too?
Well, yes, I don't know.
He's the photographer.
That's right. I'll go get ready.
How do we get rid of these glasses?
Hungry.
Misha, can I try something to see if it works?
Go ahead. If it doesn't work, I don't know what we'll do.
Misha, Charlie, come on down. Grandma and Granddad are here.
I'm not sure, but I think this should work.
What? It just washed away with saliva?
Yeah, I don't really understand either. But just in case, don't paint your face again with big marking pens, okay?
Howie, can I tell you something? You're the best.
Look at that. Handsome Charlie. Come on, it's time for the picture.
Everyone ready? Say cheese.
Cheese.